Hey friends, this is Latif. Hope you're well and welcome to the update on JASMY. The price line of JASMY is once again bounced very well from the support of this down channel. You can see that a few days ago it was dropped down at this support, and it was also testing this bottom of a very long-term support zone. That support zone starts from 1.5 cents and goes to 1.2 cents and geared up, but recently it is once again rejected by the top of this support zone that is now breaking at the resistance of 1.5 cents. If we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that this support zone is working as support zone from the month of Feb 2024 up till now. It is still working as a very, very strong support zone. And before that, it was working as a resistance zone here for a few weeks and support zone here back in the month of Feb 2022 when we had this big bounce from the support zone. And once again, we are testing the support zone. And in today's video, we will once again analyze this move. And I would also like to show you this previous very, very huge breakout from this big and long-term falling wedge pattern once again. By the way, I have been showing you this wedge even before the breakout almost 2 or 3 years ago, back in 2023, 2022 to 2023, and it was moving inside this wedge. And I was telling you that after the breakout from this wedge, we can expect a very, very massive rally, and this downtrend will be changed from the downside to the upside. And by the way, so far from this low to this high, you can see that the price line has rallied more than 2,069%. But before starting this analysis, if you are not subscribed to my channel, then do subscribe. And then for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. So let's start the analysis. And first of all, let me begin with my most recent trade signal for JASMY that I shared on 14th of Feb 2025 with my members in the previous month of Feb. And that was a bullish candle pattern that JASMY formed on the daily on a 4-hour time frame chart with US dollar pair. And this was a complete trade signal. Buying on, sell targets on, and this was the stop loss. And now if I play this chart, then you can see that the price had nicely moved up from this buying on and read the sell targets on here. And if you would like to catch such other pumps before they happen, then you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing such trading signals for you on the daily basis. And I've already shared the links to join me there in the video's description you can find. Now let's move to the live chart of JASMY. And first of all, I'm going to show you the daily time frame. And here you can see that for the past stable weeks, it is moving inside this down channel. But while moving inside this channel, we broke down this very long-term up trend line support. And you can see that this uptrend line support is now flipped into resistance. We got stable ejections here. And by the way, this is a quite long-term uptrend line support. If you take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that since after the month of October 2023, it was working as support. We had a bounce here, and at the bounce here, and at the bounce here, and now after the breakdown, it is flipped into resistance. And in case of breaking out this channel, still, again, it can work at a very, very strong resistance. First, we will need to break out this uptrend line resistance, then the price and can hit the target for the breakout from this channel. By the way, if the price and breaks out this channel, then technical target for the breakout from this channel will be here at the top of the channel, approximately at 5 cents. And by the way, from 5 cents to 6 cents, we already have a very, very long-term resistance line that was previously, recently working at the resistance line here. And if we take a look at the weekly time frame chart, then you can see that previously it had been working at the resistance line here and support line here in the month of December 2021 as well. Now here on the 7-day time frame chart, you can see that we have already broken out this big and long-term falling wedge pattern. Then we had a very, very massive rally that was almost more than 2,000%, but still the price and did not hit the target for the breakout from this wedge. And that is here at the top of the wedge. That is approximately at 20 cents. So this also update so far. I hope that you've liked the analysis. Then do hit the like and do subscribe to the channel as well. And for more trading signals, you can also join me and support me as a YouTube member or as a Patreon member, because there I'm sharing different trading signals for you. And you can find a link to join me there in the video's description I've shared. Take care. Goodbye.